bitch back. Trying to tell me I wouldn't fuck some fat girl. What fat girl I'm fucking? Bitch, you tripping.
Damn, Brock. I went down there looking for you.
Yeah, a little 35 minutes.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
I need to stay up in there.
Yeah, I stay up there like, stay down there a month. A lot of gringos stay in there 6 months at a time.
Yeah, like this Zona Rosa shit. The one of the homies was telling me to
next door,
Zona
yeah, that's got a door. Yeah,
I be over here paying this 70. Now they up to 70. I'm gonna have to do a 35, but I just got a backpack.
Even if you went over there, that's where we stay.
Senor, get one of the mangoes.
Where's the best mangoes you got?
Rico. Sí. I want a Rico.
Fresco.
Sí, fresco. Sí.
Arreglo.
Ah, sí, señor. Make a frog. Man.
With mangoes.
They're pretty good.
You get like 3 for $5, you know, or something. Or you cut it up, you charge more. They always trying to make money, you know.
What they charge you for cutting it up?
Yeah.
Sí. ¿Cuánto, señor?
3,000.
3,000. Ah, señor. Mucho dinero, señor, ¿sí?
Poquito.
Ah, rico. Gracias, señor.
Está bien.
Mijo.
Hey.
Ah.
La presión alta, la presión arterial y la presión baja. Entonces, veamos, déjame tomar la atención. Ahora la pelota, déjame tomar la atención.
So we ain't going back, bro. You need to put that plug on that Ozempic, man.
Back now?
No, I'm saying I'm gonna let my folk know you got those Ozempic plugs.
I'll let you take something back when you want to.
No, sir. I got so many Viagra's in my pocket trying to get some shit through him.
Oh my God, that bitch about 13. Little 13-year-old African.
This is right on.
Little 13-year-old little African girl.
Remember when you was like 14, 15?
So we're 113. The one with no hair or the one with hair?
About 14.
With no hair, about 14.
Yeah, 15.